Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enable and how we can use the voice typing in our Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browsers. And for that, let's go to the settings first. So let's make a right click in the Windows icon and then go to settings option. So in here in the left pane you will see the privacy and security settings, so please click on that. And under Windows permission section you will see the speech option that's in the second option, so please click on that. So in speech, online speech recognition, you can use your voice for apps using Microsoft's online speech recognition technology. So let's turn this button on and help make online speech recognition better. Your everyday use of apps that use online speech recognition could improve the accuracy of Microsoft's online speech technology for everyone who speaks your language. Okay, so now after turning this on, you can now close this window and let's go to our Google Chrome browser. Let's open that. Okay, so to use the voice typing, all you need to do is just select for the section that you want to type, and once you do that, please click or press in your keyboard Windows H key together, and then this window will be up on your screen. Microsoft Speech Services. Voice typing turns your voice into text with Microsoft's online speech services. Select the microphone button to start voice typing. This will also install device-based speech recognition that improves voice typing performance. So if you want to type something, all you need to do is just click on this microphone button and then just say it, and it will be automatically be typed in here. So let's do that. When it says it's listening, you can now see or say the things that you want to search here in the Google Chrome browser, so that it will be typed in the URL or in any section. And you can also do that in here in this section. Turn on automatic punctuation in settings. Got it. Okay, so in here you can also automatically type the things that you say by clicking again this button here, and then for example I'll say search for YouTube or search for this text. You can do that by simply saying it in your microphone. Okay, so we can also do the same with our, let me just close that one, with our Microsoft Edge browser. Let's open Microsoft Edge and just click on the search tab that you want to type, and then again you press Windows H key together and it will automatically listen. Okay, so you can also do that in the search tab. Just click on this microphone button and it will start listening to your voice, and once it hears something that you say, then it will automatically type it. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.